Have you ever seen a truck fly through the air and land on a house? Or tumbleweeds so massive they buried cars alive? Buckle up, because we're diving into some of the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping road moments ever caught on camera. From wild crashes to pure chaos. This is reality in the fast lane. These aren't movie stunts. This is real life on the road. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and get ready to ask yourself, how did they even survive that let's see? In Bangkok, Thailand, a massive chunk of a flyover suddenly collapses right onto a passing car. The driver missed being crushed by inches. A miracle moment or a warning shot? In a snowy paradise, a 2005 Toyota 4Runner turns into a drifting machine. With its V8 engine roaring, it glides across the icy roads like it's dancing. Controlled chaos or winter wizardry? A truck wheel detached mid-drive, flying through the air like a wrecking ball. This kind of situation puts everyone at risk. Proper maintenance isn't just about your vehicle, it's about every life on the road. In Texas, a car goes completely out of control and crashes into a Walmart store. Thankfully, no fatalities, but the chaos left shoppers in total shock. Speed and distractions don't mix. The world seemed to pause as a massive truck hit an incline and launched into the air like a scene straight out of an action movie. It soared gracefully, terrifyingly, before crash landing on the roof of a house. Seriously, who needs Fast and Furious when this exists? And away it landed? You'd think it was aiming for that spot. Comment below, was this dumb luck or incredible skill? In Wisconsin, a 92-year-old man mistook the gas for the brake in a parking lot. The result? He hit 9 vehicles. No one was hurt, but it raises the question, should there be age-based driving checks? Let us know in the comments. On a highway, a driver stops to let a turtle cross and triggers a chain reaction crash involving a semi-truck. Good intentions, but poor execution. Always signal and pull over safely, even for the little guys. In Indiana, a simple parking maneuver turns into chaos when a driver hits the gas instead of the brake and proceeds to crash into almost every car in the lot. Just watching it will leave you speechless. A giant truck passes under a bridge with inches to spare, so close it feels like slow motion magic. Hats off to the driver. That was elite level skill. Would you try this move? A massive steel coil rolls forward during transport completely unsecured, and the consequences are jaw-dropping. This is why proper lanyards and safety checks matter. One moment of carelessness, one huge disaster. On the A2-206, traffic is backed up. One driver decides he's above the rules and drives right past the queue illegally and dangerously. Don't be that driver. On the New Jersey Turnpike, someone tied mattresses to their SUV terribly, and of course they flew off. Let this be clear, tie your cargo like your life depends on it, because it just might. Ever tried to get out of the way, but somehow ended up even more in the way? Yeah, this clip is that in human form. A perfect storm of good intentions and bad execution. On the Ohio Turnpike, a 6-foot wooden plank flew off a truck and went straight into a woman's windshield. It missed her and her passenger by inches. This is why UALWOYS secure your load. One piece of wood, one deadly missile. A driver in East China absolutely wreaks havoc in a parking lot, crashing into 3 parked cars and a brick wall. The car? Out of control. The advice? Simple. Only drive when you're fully confident and focused. One quick glance at the phone. One big mistake. This dashcam captures a crash that could have been avoided with a single choice. Focus. Don't be that driver. A truck slams into a parked car in southwest Brisbane, missing a man by mere feet. Police are cracking down with double demerit points in many areas. The message is clear: obey the speed limits or risk everything. A truck reversing without proper observation and a head-on near miss. These moments could be avoided with just a little more care. Simple lesson here: look twice, act once. Road safety is everyone's responsibility. No, this isn't a movie stunt. It's a bizarre tradition in a small Alaska town launching cars off cliffs for the 4th of July. Wild, yes. Legal, surprisingly, yes. Just don't try this at home. Caught on CCTV in Argentina, a student driver crashes into a lamppost and flips their car during the test. That's gonna be an automatic F. But hey, at least it went viral. A truck hits a car from behind at such a slow speed, it's baffling. Was the driver drunk, on the phone, or just completely zoned out? Drop your theory in the comments. On Belgium's E314, a peaceful drive turns to disaster. A car swerves unexpectedly left. A truck can't react fast enough. The result? A brutal collision and a reminder that attentiveness saves lives. And there you have it, some of the most jaw-dropping real-life moments ever caught on camera. Which one blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments. We're reading everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a moment like this. Stay safe, drive smart, and we'll see you in the next video.